Hello, traders. Today is Sunday, July 6th, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. And we're going to start on the monthly time frame, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. And really, it doesn't matter what time frame you're trading. You could be trading a 1 minute time frame, and this full top-down analysis should be important to you also because that tells you the primary direction of the market on different time frames, and especially the higher time frames are definitely gonna, trump whatever you see on the shorter time frames for sure. So, anyways, on the monthly time frame, gold, I think gold is extremely clear on the high time frames what we are in for a pattern. I think this is a wave one. I think this is an ABC of two. I think this is a one of three, a two of three, three of three, four of three, and we're likely in the wave five of three. If this wave three really is over, which so far we can't prove that it is, then we are going to go down and make a wave four. A wave four would be a pullback to the whole wave three, which potentially would not only look probably something like this, would probably last about as long as this wave two lasted. This wave two lasted almost a year. So this wave four should last almost a year. Then we potentially would go back up for a wave five. Now, whether or not it's starting this wave four or not is debatable. There's no proof whatsoever that this wave three is over. What does that mean? That means that it doesn't have to start that big pullback. It could just go and go and go. Gold is kind of a never-ending uptrend if you look at it on the higher time frames. So there's really no reason to say that this trend is over yet on any of these higher time frames. Going to the weekly time frame, yes, the market has been very sideways, but I mean, there's definitely no break or structure to the downside. There's really no reason at all yet to say this wave three is over. We probably are in a wave four right now. I think there's a good chance we are, but if we are in a wave four, it's probably a wave four of three, which would be much smaller than that wave four of the whole trend that I showed on the monthly. So taking it down to the daily, I think the daily is pretty clear also because we have one down, three up, one down, and then we have one up, three down, one up. Most likely we are now making one down, three up, and one down. This is very clearly, in my eyes, a WXY. Three waves down, three waves up, three waves down. A very recognizable pattern in the Elliot wave world, WXY. So we are likely now in an A, B, and a C of wave Y, which right now we should be in the wave B of wave Y. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this whole move down is the A. I think we're now in the wave B. I think that wave B should also have an ABC in it. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, likely the A of B. We are likely now in a wave B of B, and back up for a wave C of wave B. If you're not really familiar with Elliott wave, this is probably pretty confusing because gold is it's a correction on pretty much every single time frame. There's a lot of ABCs going on in here, especially because it's a WXY. But I think right now we're in the wave B of wave Y, which technically we're in the ABC of the B of the Y. Kind of a mouthful, but if you understand Elliott wave, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think this top right here is the A. I think this move down is the A of B. I think right now we're in a correction to this move down, which is a B of B. Whether or not the correction is over, I mean, it definitely did make three waves up. It could be over, but it also could try to go up one more time. I think that it will make a lower high even if it does go up one more time, and it will probably start down for a wave C. This whole thing should be a pullback to this whole move up. So if it does start to move down again, the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up. I would be looking for an ABC pullback. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, and I'd look for an engulfing move up at a Fibonacci level to go long again for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So definitely kind of a little bit complex pattern when you start to get down to the sort of time frames because likely right now we're in a wave B of an ABC, which this ABC is actually a wave B also, a wave B of wave Y. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.